Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So in this video, if I look super tired, please pardon me because I really am super tired and it is about close to 1 AM right now, but I'm here today to show you guys the main difference between the recently announced Honor Band 5 and the old Honor Band 4. So both of these devices are very similar to one another in such that they share almost the same design, function, feature and everything else, even the same price, so that's good, right? But there are just a couple of small differences that the Honor Band 5 bring to the table. So let's check out the comparison between both this Honor Band 4 and Honor Band 5 right away. So as you can see here, I have these bands in different colors so that it's easy for you guys to differentiate which is which. So the Band 4 that I have is the in pink, and the Honor Band 5 I have here is in blue. So Honor just launched this like 2 days ago, and it costs about 190 yuan here in China, which is the same price as the Honor Band 4 when it was launched, and that translates it to about 27 US dollars. So anyways, we're here to see what makes this really differ from the previous version. So I've actually did the unboxing already of both these Honor smart watches, if you may call it, and here are the devices itself. So as you can see here, first let's take a quick look at both the outlook of these Honor bands. On the left, once again, is the Band 4, and on the right is the Band 5. So the bands here are actually using the same kind of material. You can even see the texture, which is exactly the same as the Band 4. And if you move on, you'll still see the Honor logo. So you can see on the Band 5 that it uses Honor's latest logo, and on the Band 4 it's still using the previous logo. Anyways, moving on to the front here, this is where it matters the most. Both these Honor bands actually use the same size AMOLED display, and Honor is saying that the Band 5 actually comes with a better OLED display, but based on my personal judgment, I think both of these actually look the same. So the size of the screen and the display here is still the same. The battery is also the same. It is 100 mAh and can last up to 14 days. Anyways, everything here looks very similar. Alright, so once we take a closer look at both these bands, so let me just swipe through to show you guys the operating system. And you will notice that the UI on the Honor Band actually looks better than the Honor Band 4. So if you guys buy the latest device, definitely you'll have some better looking UI. Main thing that differentiates the Honor Band 5 from the Honor Band 4 is the addition of this SpO2 detector, which detects the amount of oxygen in your blood. Alright guys, so let me just try and show you guys how the SpO2 detector works. So you just need to go in there and just tap it, and hopefully it starts measuring really quickly. So it says to please stay still, and there you have it. So it's saying that I have 99% of oxygen in my blood and my heart rate is 84 beats per minute. So I really suggest you guys to check with a professional to know what is the safe amount of oxygen required in your blood, because I'm not a doctor here. So this is just to show you guys that this SpO2 detector actually works on the Honor Band 5. This may be helpful for those of you who actually are concerned about the amount of oxygen levels in your blood, and you can use this Honor Band 5 to track and measure the amount of oxygen in your blood. Otherwise, another difference we have here is in the workout sector, and according to Honor, this Band 5 will be able to track more activities. So the Band 5 will be able to track a total of 10 activities, whereas the Band 4 is only able to track 7. But if you look from the list here, it is actually the same. We have all the same items in here. So I'm not really sure what kind of other activities the Band 5 is able to track. I do know that the Band 5 is able to track more kinds of swimming activities. So that should help if you're like a really serious swimmer. Otherwise, these are just the two main differences between the Band 5 and the Band 4. Alright, so let's show you guys a quick walkthrough on the Band 5. So we have this really nice watch face right here, and it operates exactly the same as the Band 4. So you just swipe up to see the different items you have in the list. Of course, you still have your heart rate detector. There is this the oxygen detector. So if you just slide down, you'll see more options here. You have your sleep detector, your workout, your Alipay for payments in China, and the settings key. So if you notice here, there is still no support for music controls. Of course, you still have the messages here, so this will show you all your notifications. So I currently do not have any new notifications. But otherwise, yes, it's just pretty simple. You just scroll through the screen here to see the different options you have in the band. So this unit was bought here in China, but I was able to get English running on the Honor Band 5. I think it is a really good device if you just need like a quick heart rate detector and use it for like a smartwatch, because it gives you notifications really quickly. So once again, side by side with the Honor Band 4, basically if you're looking to buy a new Honor Band, there is no reason for you to actually choose the Honor Band 4, because both these bands actually cost the same. So once again, just to put both of these side by side to show you guys a clearer look. Everything else is the same. The way they charge is still the same as well. Everything is just so similar. So like once again, like I said, the only difference here we have is a so-called better display, which really looks the same to me. The addition of that SpO2 detector, as well as more activities that can be tracked on the Band 5. So before I end this video, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask like, is there this always on display? And the answer is no. You cannot have these displays turned on like throughout the entire day. It will still go off and you'll just need to tap the home button or lift your wrist to get the display showing. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And once again, this is Lim with Lim Reviews. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!